you know this ain't fair unless you leave the key where I can grab it.
No, that wouldn't be fun.
This ain't fun. Who said I was trying to be fair during any of this?
Hijack the key and hide it.
I am putting it where he can't get it.
That's why cops don't handcuff me no more. I'll be sitting in the back of the squad car, they have my hands behind my back, next thing they know they're looking at me and I'm sitting here like this. How the fuck? Don't ask. Man, my key now.
You have your what?
My key.
I lost it.
Bullshit. Pull it out of that damn purse.
I don't see it.
You might want to find it.
I don't see it.
You might want to find it. I'm watching my hand change colors.
Dog ate it.
You might want to find that damn key.
Dog, get off my crotch.
The handcuff key.
Oh, I lost that.
Bullshit. Find it, 'cause I'm watching my hand change colors.
You're good. Your hand's not purple. You're good.
Getting close to it.
Looks red in this. You're fine.
I
It'll turn
lost
red
it.
and then it'll turn purple.
Okay.
You
Looks
better
red in
not
this.
have.
Everything looks red in
Your
this.
hair looks nice.
He's wearing a hat. How can you tell?
Oh look, there's Weston's ultrasound.
Find
See?
the key. Find the damn key. Find the key.
Next thing you know, she's pulling out lotion. Told you.
She just did that because you said something.
I had lotion. Got a little bit of everything in this thing.
Have a
My
toothbrush?
brother-in-law calls purses the Batman packs.
Have a toothbrush in there?
No, I don't have one of those in there anymore.
Oh.
I did have a travel size toothbrush in here whenever I was gone all the time. What was I looking for?
The damn handcuff key.
Oh, okay.
I can't even fucking grab a purse. Dad, you know where handcuff key is? Find the key. Please.
What do I get for it?
Well, I don't know. I barely have any grip in my hand.
Okay.
Tell her kiss.
She would tell me if I told her that. I get that all the time.
What a hug.
Oh, hell no! Fucking key!
Want a drink? You want a
It's
drink?
only like the 5th or 6th picture she's took.
I'm not taking a picture.
She's recording.
Okay, now where's the key?
Can I have the key? Please.
It's not purple yet. That's still considered a red. Hey, hey, okay, I give you the key. Okay, I give you the right key.
Hold on, Mom. I'll pick that up.
Okay, now let's see. Unlock yourself. Then I can end the video.
I'll be back in about 10-15 minutes.
How do you send videos to